Hey, all right. So today's computer tech news, not really news, or like helping you guys out is how to like keep your computer safe from malware. Um, to begin with, what is malware? Malware is pretty much a category of a bunch of viruses, trojans, pop-ups. It's all in one category. So pretty much when someone comes up to you and says malware, you will know exactly what it is. It's pretty much infected. Your computers, their computer is pretty much infected with either viruses, trojans, spyware, pop-ups, whatever the case may be. So this is my way of doing a full system cleanup, and also speeds up the computer as well. So pretty much the first thing you want to do is download two programs. Now, before I do that, I'm assuming everyone has their own antiviruses. Either it will be a free trial or the full or the full version. Now, there's a bunch of different types of antiviruses out there. Now, there's Bitdefender, Norton, Not 32, a whole bunch of different types of antiviruses. Now, I can't really say which one's the best because everyone. I guess the way you define best for an antivirus is constant updates for the antivirus. Like if you let's say you buy Norton antivirus, it could be good, but it could also be bad. Like if Norton's not providing updates from every time there's like a new malware out there, and they're not providing updates about it all the time, then it's not the best antivirus. So, in order for you to figure out which one's the best antivirus, just visit a website, reviews, or go to your local store and ask them for a better antivirus or whatever the case may be. In my case, I'm using Bitdefender. But so yeah, so the first thing you want to do is go to um, the two links in my description to download these two programs. One is CC Cleaner, and the other one is Spybot Search and Destroy. Now, don't think because it says Spybot, there's gonna be like a bunch of viruses in your computer because the key word is Spybot. Every time I told people when I was doing to fix their computers or I helped them out with it or whatever the case may be, I told them download Spybot, and always got scared. Said, okay, this guy is definitely like trying to infect my computer. Why am I even like paying this guy? It's not really. It's pretty much like an antivirus kind of thing. It just search deeply in your computer for like trojans, viruses, all that stuff. So don't think it's a virus program. It's not, or a hacking program, whatever the case may be. It's actually clean. Nothing's wrong with it. It's perfectly fine, and yeah. So yeah, when you download these two programs, links are in the description once again. Links in the description. Wow, sorry. Um, once you download and install them, let's open up CC Cleaner. I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna go kind of basic detailed on here, but I'm not gonna do it with you guys. So pretty much when you first open it, you're gonna see your files here, pretty much Internet Explorer files, system files, the whole nine, applications here as well. Pretty much you could check where you want to be like scanned and deleted. Like let's say if you want your cookies to be not deleted, you don't have to delete them. I prefer that to be deleted. Download history, if you don't want that to be deleted, just uncheck it. So just go through all the settings before you even start it. Just go through all the settings what do you want to scan and find issues on and delete it on. Just check the stuff that you do want to be scanned, or uncheck the ones you don't want to be unscanned. So once you're done with that, it's easy and simple. You just click Analyze. It'll analyze the whole program. It'll pretty much go through your whole computer to see what is causing certain problems. And once it's done scanning, all you do is click Run Cleaner, and it starts to go through all the files that has been scanned for, and it cleans it. That's easy and simple. It takes maybe within half an hour to do analyze and run the cleaner for this part. Now, as soon as you're done with this, the next thing you want to do is go to your registry. Now, this is where main things occur when it comes to problems. Like, let's say you install a program and you open it and it says missing DDL S files, or whatever the case may be. That's because you either have a file that is not fully installed the right way, or it's just deleted somehow. It could be caused by anything really, a virus or misinstallation or whatever the case may be. It's pretty much, if you're having problems with your computer and a bunch of pop-ups coming up or something like that, registry is probably one of the main things that is causing it. Same thing with this thing. Just check which ones you want to be, where you want it to be scanned for to see what problems there is. I prefer everything, check everything in this part, because you want everything to be perfectly running smoothly. So scan for issues. It'll take about within maybe not that long, maybe like 5 to 10 minutes max. And when it's done, I'm gonna cancel it right now. Just click fix selected issues, and a little pop-up comes up. Now it says, do you want to back up changes to the registry? Meaning, if you want back up your files before you back up pretty much it's saying, asking if you want to back up the files that you have now on your computer, like your DLLs, the whole nine pretty much. It's just the case if it's once you clean it and a program is not working right or whatever the case may be, you always go back and go to your backups and restore it back to where it was. I prefer not because I have no problems, but for some people they would like to. And then for this part, you pretty much you can either click next to fix each and every single issue, or just click fix all selected issues, and that's it, done. So that's the first thing you do with CC Cleaner. Next, you go to tools. You can also see which programs to install or which programs you want to start up. System restore. You can do system restores and stuff. You could erase a hard drive. Then your options. Those two you could explore yourself. But this is mainly a tutorial on how to keep your computer clean and smooth going. Now exit out CC Cleaner and open up spybot. Now when you open up spybot, you're gonna have this. Remember, for every program that you use to clean your computer, it would be either search and destroy or CC Cleaner or your antivirus, always check for updates. Always. Because there's always going to be a whole bunch of more new viruses out there and hackers and stuff like that, and you always want to, before you scan your computer, you always want to check for new updates to see if there's any new any viruses out there that has been known and they updated it. So do that. This process pretty much takes about half an hour for this part, at least for the CC Cleaner and spybot search and destroy, about maybe half an hour to an hour. So do this at least once a month. All right. So now for this part, you just click check for problems, and then you sit and wait. That's it. I'll give it about a minute, and now it's starting to run the bot. So this probably takes about a half an hour. This program alone itself. When it's done, stop check. It will say fix selected problems, which there will be a list down on the bottom saying which ones you want to be fixed or which ones you don't. Whatever you like to do it, the way you prefer. I'll personally say check all of them and click the fix selected problems, and it'll fix all of the problems. And then you're done with this situation. Now the next step is to make sure everything's organized in your computer and double checking that, make sure you have no problems. Click start, go to my computer or computer depending what operating system you have. Right click on your local disk C hard drive, your main hard drive. Click properties, and then you want to click disk cleanup. I'll give it about a minute. Now remember, do this at least once a month. You can do this when you're sleeping and wake up the next day and just fix the selected problems and stuff. Or you can do this when you're working. Whatever the case may be, just do this at least once a month, and I promise you your computer will never have a virus and will always run smoothly. And better, I guess you could say. Now this little menu pops up. Click the files you want, for it to be the files to be deleted. Like pretty much, there's a bunch of junk in here. So in my case, I will click in every single file that is pretty much making your computer slower, and goes to make your internet kind of slow too as well. Okay, once you click all the select the files, just click OK. Oh wait, clean up system file. Click OK. Delete files, and it will start deleting all of your files. It will clean up your recycle bins. It will clean up your system errors that is also causing to have more errors and stuff like that. Now when you're done with that, go on Tools, click Tools, and click Defragment Now. And then click on the hard drive that you want to have to be analyzed, to clean, and delete. So click on your main hard drive, click Analyze Disk. Now this process actually takes a really long time. Only for the simple fact that the more files you have in your computer, the longer it takes. So when it's done analyzing, okay, I'm gonna just stop this for now. When it's done analyzing disk, click on it again and click Defragment Disk. And from there, it will analyze real quick, and then it'll start defragging your files and make your files smaller, where files are not being used all the time. Makes this file size more compressed, so you save more hard drive space, and it moves files into a certain place where it belongs. And that's how you keep your computer clean, organized, and malware free. So do this about once a month, at least. I'm not asking you once a week, not once a day, just once a month. And yeah, that's about it. The computer will be nice and clean. But remember, this could take a long process. If you're doing this all in one day, this could take up to maybe the whole day, and the next day it will be done, depending on the file, how many files you have in your computer. So if you have like a 1 terabyte hard drive and it's pretty much full, it will take about a very long time. I can't tell you exactly. I can't estimate exactly when it will be done, but it takes a long time. So just do this at least once a month, and your computer will be free from malware and system errors and slowing your computer, not speeding up fast, all that. So this is my way of cleaning my computer.